So welcome back to the channel. So this is Jonas.
I'm Mutia.
And who's this?
This is my cat.
Who's the
Ziggy.
new fella? And then Jeremy is here. So we are into anything with wheels, outdoors, and DIYs. So if you like those stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are working today on the Seat. So this will be a very quick video. Two goals. Align the bumper, because you see the bumper is pushed towards tires. Because my buddy, I love him, but he was so lazy that he pushed the car, with his BMW, because he was so lazy. So he pushed it, and the bumper. So we're gonna align that, and then Mutia is going to be scourging around the car to encircle all the dents, so we know where to sand and body fill. So it starts now. This is your dent, so you see the deformation. So add another inch and then encircle it, because that's what you're gonna be sanding to body fill. I'm doing a selfie.
Perfect circle.
So that was. So in order to remove the bumper, we need to remove the taillight. And there's a torque screw here. We use T25, and this is the key. You need to pull this way, so you don't break the tab, which I did on the other one. So this is on me. I broke it, but it's fixable. So something to keep in mind. So a couple of 25 torque bolts, 1, 2, and 3, and then just pull this out, and then off to the other side, and then 2 more at the bottom. It's here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts to remove a bumper cover, not bumper, because that's your bumper. We are about to fit it, so we just managed to manipulate this outwards, this one out, and I think that was about it. So let's see if it will move. And we also sanded it, a little bit of prep, so fit like a glove. Now it has a space. And then we already determined where the dents are. There's a lot. There's one on the roof. And luckily there's nothing on the hood. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we are going to sand this dents so we can put body filler. And until the next one, peace.